Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to identify, inspect and remove duplicates in Pandas. This is a very important topic because duplicate data can lead to incorrect reporting, inflated numbers, misleading analysis and poor machine learning results if you are building up a machine learning model. So in this tutorial, I will show you about both the concept and the actual Python code step by step. So let's get started. Here I have already imported the Pandas library. I read the Superstore dataset and I'm bringing only three columns: customer underscore ID, order underscore date and order underscore ID. And I've sorted the dataset on the basis of customer ID, order date and order ID. And this is how our data looks like. Now before checking duplicates, it is always a good idea to understand that how many rows and columns we have. So you can see here we have 10,194 rows and 3 columns. There are 804 distinct customer IDs and those customers have made 5,111 distinct purchases. Our data is from 2020 onwards till 2023. Now let's check whether the dataset contains any fully duplicated rows or not. For that, I will create a new variable duplicate underscore count df and we are going to use the duplicated function and use the sum. Let's run it. Print duplicate underscore count and you can see here there are 5,077 duplicate records. So basically, the duplicated function checks whether a row is an exact copy of a previous row. By default, Pandas mark the second occurrence onwards as duplicate, and then sum gives the total number of duplicate records. Now let's inspect the duplicate rows before we delete anything. For that, I'm going to create a new data frame called duplicates equal to df dot duplicated. Let's run the code and let's see the output. Duplicates dot head. Let me have top 10 records. And as you can see here, it has deleted certain rows and the index numbers, you can see they are not from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They have changed. It is now showing 1 through 1, 3, 6, 7, 8 till 2022. So it has deleted certain records. So for better interpretation, let me split the editor and when we read the dataset, you can see here these are the top 10 records. And as I had mentioned, by default, Pandas mark the second occurrence onward as duplicate. So you can see here, this is the second occurrence for order date 2020-03-31 for order ID which is ending with 128055. Since we want to see only duplicate record, it has deleted the first occurrence and kept the second record. Similarly, for order ID 138100, which was placed on order date 2020-09-15, it has deleted the first occurrence and kept the other records for 6th and 7th because there were multiple orders placed on 2020-03-03. So it has kept the 3 duplicate records here and deleted the first record on this particular order date for customer ID AA10315. This filters the datasets and shows only the rows that Pandas consider duplicate. And this is an important step because we should never remove data blindly. In real projects, not all duplicates are full row duplicates. Sometimes we want to check the duplicates based on a business key, such as order underscore ID in our case. Let's see how we are going to do that. Order underscore duplicates. I'm going to create a new data frame df dot duplicated. Now there is a parameter called subset. And here I am going to pass order underscore ID. In place of data frame, let me create a variable. Let us see how many number of records are here. Print order underscore duplicates. So here I am checking duplication on the order ID column, and there are total 5083 order which are duplicates. But be careful, in the dataset one order can contain multiple records, so repeated order ID values may actually be valid, and this is why business understanding matters. Now let's inspect all rows where the order ID appears more than once. So duplicate underscore orders equal to df dot duplicated and subset equal to order underscore ID, and here I am going to change the keep equal to parameter to false. Let me sort underscore values by order underscore ID. Now here keep equal to false mark all occurrences of duplicated order ID values, not just the later ones. This is very useful because it let us inspect the entire duplicate group together. Let's see the output. Duplicate underscore orders dot head. By default, in Pandas, it considers duplicate from the second occurrence onwards. However, by using keep equal to false parameter, we can capture all the duplicate records. If we confirm that exact duplicates are unwanted, we can remove them by using drop underscore duplicate method in Pandas. Let's see how we can do that. df underscore dedupe underscore exact equal to df dot drop underscore duplicates and let's see after deduping how does the data look like. df underscore dedupe underscore exact dot shape. So in our original dataset we have 10,194 records. After deduping using drop underscore duplicates method, we have now 5,117 records. The drop underscore duplicate method remove duplicate rows and keep the first occurrence by default. This is the safest way to remove exact row duplication. Now let's do an example where we would like to keep the most recent or the last record. df underscore order underscore last equal to df dot drop underscore duplicates subset equal to order underscore ID, and we are going to use keep equal to last. Let's run the code. Print df underscore last dot shape, and we have 5,111 records. This does the same operation, but now Pandas keep the last occurrence instead of the first. In some use cases, you want to remove every row that belongs to a duplicate group, and if you want to remove that, we have to use keep equal to false parameter. Let's see how we can do that. df underscore unique underscore orders df dot drop underscore duplicates subset equal to order underscore id, and we are going to use keep equal to false parameter. Let's run the code and let's see how many number of records are left. df underscore unique orders dot shape. This removes all repeated order ID values entirely from your dataset. Only rows with truly unique order ID values remain. This is powerful but also risky. So use it only when it matches your business logic. In some use cases, it is better to flag the duplicate record instead of deleting them immediately, especially in the production environment. Let's see how we can do that. df, we are going to create a new variable called is underscore duplicate underscore order underscore id, and here we are going to use our method duplicated subset equal to order underscore id, keep equal to false. Let's see the output. df.head, and you can see here it has created a new column called is duplicate underscore order underscore id, and you can see here whichever the order IDs are duplicate, it has flagged them successfully as true or false. So that's how you can handle duplicates in Pandas. And today we have covered how to detect duplicates, how to inspect them, how to remove them, and how to flag them for review. The key takeaway is this: never remove duplicates without understanding the business context first. So guys, have a great day and see you in the next video.